Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to change the position of the steering wheel. So you can set it to your preference based on your height, arm length, seat position and things like that. This video should apply to 30th generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, before I show you this, I just want to add, you always want to make sure you are doing this while the vehicle is parked, you are not driving, and ideally the vehicle is turned off or at least in parking mode, because once you release the steering wheel, it will be completely loose. On the left side, under the steering wheel, there is like a small lever. You want to pull it all the way down, and now the steering wheel is kind of loose, so you can adjust the height. You see how much up or down it goes, and if I record here from the side, you can also pull it in or out. See, so you can change the position to your liking. And once you're done and you're happy with the results, you want to push this black lever all the way up to lock it in place. And before driving, always please make sure that the steering wheel is nice and tight and secure and you can drive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.